Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining me. Today I get to share with you a project for LDRS Creative, and we're going to be using this cute little stamp set. It's a pretty big one actually. It's 6 by 8, but it's called Happy Everything. This is what it looks like. It's that gray, I'm not sure if it's a rubber stamp or not, but whatever it is, it stamps beautifully, guys. Love this. I mentioned this in the last one that I used, but the line on here, I don't think I've ever seen a more fine line in stamping images. Super detailed. But I want to stamp 3 balloons. 3 is the magic number. We're going to stamp 3 cupcakes too. And we'll use the balloons for one card, and then we'll use the cupcakes for another card. So, and basically my layout's going to be the same, just using different images. So once my images are stamped, I stamp with my Raven ink pad. I did let the ink dry a little bit, and then now I'm going to color it in with my Copic markers. I'm going to play a little music while I color, and then when I'm done coloring, I will get you back. Okay, coloring is all done. Now it's time to take my white gel pen and clean up all my mess ups. I went outside the lines, especially on my balloons, oh my goodness. And then I'm going to use my scissors and fussy cut each one of my elements out. I did leave a little bit of a white border, made it easier for fussy cutting, especially the balloon strings. Now we're going to add a little bit of sparkle by adding some glitter. So I'm just using my glue and adding a little bit to each one of my elements. And I'm adding probably a little bit more than a little bit. I wanted the glitter to really stick there. I'm going to be using some iridescent chunky glitter, and so you can still see the glue behind the glitter, but once it dries clear, and so all you'll see is that sparkle, which was kind of fuzzy when I did the close-up, but in the close-up pictures at the end you'll be able to see the sparkle and how shiny it is. Okay, once this is done, we're going to work on our background. I'm going to use a piece of pattern paper from the 6x6 paper pack called Daisy Delights. So pretty. I'm going to trim this down so it's 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall. And then we're going to use this sheet for both cards. So I'm going to put it at a diagonal, and then I'm going to trim it in half. And it creates 2 corner angled patterns. You can see on my cupcakes, I added a little, while I had my white gel pen out, I did add a little bit of detail. When I was doing my coloring, I did kind of drown out the stamped image of my cupcake wrapper, so I enhanced it with my white gel pen. Okay, I used the Practically Oval frame set, the second largest oval in it, and I cut out 2 ovals. This is going to be a great place to stamp my sentiment. For the first card, we're using the sentiment that says, "Happy Eat Too Much Cake Day." That is a wonderful sentiment. I just love that. I use my Raven ink pad, and in the happy there's an area to where you can color in a portion of the letters, so I'm just using my pink Copic markers to fill that in for a little bit of color. That's going to go right in the center of our card base. I did add foam tape behind it and also behind my little cupcakes already. We're just going to press them on the oval there, and then we're going to set this aside. Actually, we're not going to do that just yet. We're going to grab some dark brown cardstock. I thought it was missing something, so we're going to cut down a very thin strip. I think this color is going to match my cupcake wrappers beautifully. So I'm kind of cheating a little bit and doing a little tucking. I'm going to angle the end, and then using my glue, we're going to add a strip to the left and the right of my oval. And I think this just pulls out the cupcake wrapper a little bit more. So simple and so fun. And then we're going to add a few little stars in just a bit, but we're going to finish our second card. And we're basically going to do the exact same layout as our first card. We're going to adhere our dark brown cardstock. We actually have to lower it a little bit and then cut it at an angle. And then I am going to add foam tape behind it and place it on an A2 size card base, just like we did for card 1. It's popped up a bit. And then I added my balloons here already. And then we're going to add some foam tape behind here. We need one more piece on the top to make it nice and level. And I think that looks great. Okay, for bells and whistles, we're just bringing in some iridescent stars. I'm going to use them for both cards. The second card, I stamped the word Happy Birthday. And then, so that's my birthday card. I thought stars went great with it, but my second card could be a birthday card. Eat Too Much Cake Day is kind of versatile. But those are my projects for today. If you're interested in anything, links are down below as always. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.